and today I am going to tell you a very simple and interesting math tricks of based on multiplication and division that you can just solve in 5 seconds. So let's start the video. So first we will talk about multiplication. To do the multiplication in short time, we will see this trick. So we will take first small numbers and then we will take large numbers. So first we will take 12 into 3. What usually we do? 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 1s are 1. So 6, 3 plus 2 5 and 1. So it takes more time. So I am going to tell you a very simple and interesting tricks that you can do in exam in just 5 seconds. So first I will show the trick and then I will explain it. So we will take same number 12 into 13. This is your answer in just 5 seconds. So now I will explain the trick how I did it. So 12 into 13. So in 12 the first number comes 1. So we have to draw the only one line in, vertically. Next number is 2. Take some distance and draw 2 lines vertically. Now in 2 there is 3. So just draw one line horizontally because here is 1 and downside keeping some gap, draw 3 lines because here is 3 horizontally, 1 2 and 3. So we have to just count the points that are intersected, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we have to add these both points, means 1 2 3 4 5 and here once. So it is very simple tricks and you can check in calculator also. Now we will go to more hard number. So we will take 24 into 42. So same, here's 24 into 42. So first number is 2, so draw vertically 2 lines, 1 2. Next number is 4, so keep some distance and draw 4 lines, 1 2 3 and 4. So now we have to draw the horizontal lines. So next number is 4, so 1 2 3 and 4, and next number is 2, so 1 and 2. Now only just we have to count the points, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we will write here 8. Now we will count these 2 points and add this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So if there is a number more than 2 digits, so we have to carry over here, so 1 and here and 6 16 17 18 19 20. So 2 here 0. So now count this, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 plus 2 10. So here is the answer in just 5 seconds. So you can check it on calculator also. So now we will talk about division. So first we will take number 1 6 1 6 0 divided by 9. It seems to be some hard, but it's very simple. So your first step is to draw an angle between it. So we have drawn angle. Second step is, if here is 1 digit number, draw the line from right side leaving 1 digit number. So I have drawn it. So in this box it will be your reminder, and in this box we will find your question. So if there is 2 digit number, so we will draw line here. If 3 digit, then we will draw line here. So your third step is, if there is 1 digit number, make it 10. If there is 2 digit number, make it 100. Means here is 9. So we will add 1. So it will become 10. If there is 2 digit number, for example 40, then we will add 60 to make it 100, and same as 1000. So first step is, we have to write first number as it is. We have written, then multiply this into this, 1 1s are 1, and add this, 6 plus 1 7. Now again 7 into 1 7, so 0 plus 7 7. So 17 is your question and 7 is your reminder. Now we will take one more question. So we will take 4, 1, 2 divided by 9. So as it is, first step is draw an angle. Here is 9. So it is one digit number. So from right side we have to draw a line from one digit. So here the answer will come. That will be your reminder. And here the answer will come. That is your question. So here is 9. To make it 10, we will add 1. So 9 plus 1, it is 10. But we have to not write here. Okay. The first step is, now second step. Write the first number as it is. 4. 4 into 1, 4. So 4 plus 1, do addition. 4 plus 1, 5. Then again 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 is your reminder and 45 is your question. So how simple it is. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.